Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and I'm so glad to see you here. Today we will color an image from this book that I recently published on Amazon and that I will be very glad if you order it and leave a review. The link is under the video, but in case that is complicated, I am also leaving under the video a link for the image that we are going to use today and from which you can download it to follow the tutorial. Here is the book and let's see which drawing are we going to color. It can be a fairy, a mermaid, this couple, a girl in water, a nice fish, a young woman with a sword, a woman with a dragon, or this mermaid with a shark. Yes, let's do this mermaid with a shark. We begin with a light blue and pressing lightly, we color the upper part of the sea. We push more and more as we come down. Then we switch to a medium blue and carry on with it, pressing more and more. And then if you want, we can change to a darker one for the bottom. As the page is already toned, we will get a very dark at the bottom. With a red, let's draw the darker parts of the hair, the parts in shadow. And then we pick up an orange, and with this, we draw most of the hair. We can go over the red as well. I'll apply a little bit more red or dark orange here. We may use a lighter orange for the farther away sections. And then we can give some touches with the yellow for the highlights, for the upper part of the head and the tips, for example. And we can reinforce some of the darks with the red. Then, with the light beige, we draw the skin, like so. We may add a little bit of red to the cheeks and lips. As it already has gray shadows, you don't need more, but if you want to, you can reinforce with a brown or a blue, lightly. With a bluish green, we draw this drawing, if you want. And with a light blue, aqua, we give a light layer to all this part with scales. Then, with different blues, we can create the shadows and also going in and drawing individual scales, separated one from another, we can create some illusion of reflections. Like so. With a black pencil, we draw the dark gray of the shark, which is in this case on the sides. We leave alone the light gray area, which will be the white of the shark in shadow. We also darken the tips of the fins, like so. We can reinforce some of the dark areas of the hair, the inset areas. For this we can use a red or a purple or a dark blue or things like that. We can use a dark blue for the lower fin. Or, if you'd like, of course you can do this a lot lighter with a lighter blue. Good. I love drawing so much. I think this is really relaxing. With a white pencil we can give some highlights to the shoulder and the arm. And then with a white pigment marker we can draw some further highlights and some bubbles. Very good! Excelente! It's ready! Don't forget to subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done it already. Also, don't forget to order the book and leave a review. And please take care.